Continuing with our discussion, we are discussing unit number 1, where we are learning about the 5 kingdom system of classification. And from the 5 kingdoms, we have done discussion on kingdom planting. Today we would like to start the discussion on kingdom Animalia. Okay. Yes, would really help if you all can please focus towards the board, please. Now, kingdom Animalia. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. What is kingdom? What is Animalia? Please raise your hand as I said. If you understand English properly. Yes, ma'am.
So kingdom is the taxa.
No, kingdom is category. Animalia is taxa. Kingdom is category. Animalia is taxa. Question number 2. How many categories are there? No? Raise the hand, please. Yes, ma'am? 7. Name them, please. That was fast. Right? Faster than a waiter at the South Indian restaurant. Right ना? सबसे फास्ट वो लोग ही होते हैं, right? जिसको मेनू याद होता है, right ना? Kingdom, phylum. We will come to the second part. Phylum, right ना? Even at the hotel I have to buy with आराम से भाई, right? मुझे मालूम नहीं क्या ऑर्डर करना है. Okay. Now the second category is phylum. As rightly said, इसके नीचे आएगा class, class के नीचे आएगा order, family, genus, species. These are 7 obligatory categories. 7 obligatory categories. Now for Animalia we use phylum, but for Plantae we use division. Plantae में we never say phylum. Phylum is exclusively used for animal kingdom. Now when we want to classify Animalia, under phyla, there are a total of 11 phyla which come under kingdom Animalia. Starts from phylum Porifera, sponges, right? See, the names of these phyla and the respective examples must have been taught to you at lower classes in school. But there are some syllabuses which have skipped kingdom Animalia, right? I don't want to name them, right? वरना आईजी वाले हमेशा हाथ खड़े थे. They're not done. For some reason I don't know. Okay. Phylum Porifera, the sponge. Phylum Coelenterata, Hydra. Phylum Ctenophora. Platyhelminthes. Helminth means worm. Platy means flat. So flatworms. Aschelminthes. I told you helminth means worm. Asch means round. So roundworms. Ascaris. All that would come here. Annelida. Earthworm. Arthropoda, right? Already studied at cockroach level. examples which I am trying to give are the general ones which I use at school level only. We will do a lot of examples यहाँ पर, right, which will be tongue twisters also. Echinodermata, starfish. Hemichordata, and the 11th one is chordata. So how many of total phyla coming under kingdom Animalia? 11 phyla. These are the 11 groups that we have to study in this chapter. Right? Once we finish this 11 groups, apna chapter khatam. Right? As I said, the theme of our preparation is evolution. So from 5 groups we will evolve to 11 groups. 5 groups you didn't plan it? है कि नहीं? क्या हुआ प्लीज? Sir, why use the word only, sir? Right? See, only is just थोड़ा सा satisfaction. Only, right? ना? You write a check of 5 crores. लाई क्या लिखते हैं? Only. Okay. So now, please, we are trying to come to a very important point in classification. When I am studying these 11 phyla, I need something to differentiate amongst them. So what we find is these 10 groups are different from the 11th group in terms of a structure called notochord. In terms of a structure called as notochord. So ये जो पहले 10 groups है उसमें notochord is absent. So we call these as non-chordates. At school, generally classification कैसे start होता है? Animals are classified as chordates and non-chordates. This is the opening line of the teacher. Right? Animals are classified as 11 phyla. Out of the 11 phyla, these 10 do not have notochord. They are called non-chordates. So we have non-chordates and chordates now. So chordata is as good a phyla as the remaining 10 only. Now that brings us to a very important question. Sir, what is notochord? Important, isn't it? Notochord is a dorsal supporting structure. Right? It's the structure which supports the organism associated with the nervous system. Please, what position did I mention? Dorsal. If I am mentioning dorsal associated with the nervous system, that means nervous system also has to be present dorsally. But we have seen in non-chordates, हमने एक ही animal पढ़ा है, cockroach. Nervous system was present ventrally. So यहाँ पर nervous system ventral है, यहाँ पर dorsal है, तो notochord यहाँ से start होता है. So when we study this way. Chordata, non-chordates. So when you are giving this small classification, आपका basis of classification is only one: presence or absence of notochord. See, this notochord, out of these group present on the board, is present only with them. Is present only with them. Is this also a phyla? Right? Phyla के नीचे क्या आना चाहिए? Class. Under phyla comes class. Right? What comes between phyla and class? Is phyla a category? Is class also a category? दो कैटेगरीज के बीच में अगर कोई लेवल आता है उसको हम लोग सब कैटेगरी बोलते हैं. called as subphyla. We have category called as subphyla. Please pay attention. यहाँ पर we have 3 subphyla. Urochordata, Cephalochordata,